May is National Stop the Bleed Month, and the Port of Palm Beach teamed up with the Healthcare District of Palm Beach County to provide Stop the Bleed training to people working at the port.
Safety is paramount every day for you all.
Among the group of 60 who completed the training was Michael Jones, a gantry operator at Florida Sugar and Molasses Exchange Terminal located on port property.
We got, close to 20 employees over there, and we're always using heavy machineries, and there's a lot of situations you can get yourself into when you can get injured like this. So these tourniquets can come in handy.
The great part about doing the training here at the port is that you already have the Stop the Bleed kits on campus. And with it, we can look at the kits. We can also identify where they're located on your campus and talk about protocols that are already in place here.
David Summers, Trauma Nurse Outreach Coordinator with the Healthcare District of Palm Beach County, has trained several thousand people in various professions in the community. But this was his first time at the Port of Palm Beach.
The main goal is to orient your employees that if they come across somebody who's bleeding, they'll have a better idea what to do. That they know that you already have product here, you already have tourniquets on campus. They know where they are. And with that, they'll know what to do if something bad happens.
The port hosted 6 classes over 2 days where Summers taught participants the ABCs of bleeding.
Alert somebody through your process or call 911. Look for bleeding, identify if it's life-threatening bleeding, and then compress the bleeding.
Summers showed them how to apply pressure, pack wounds, and deploy a tourniquet on themselves and others.
It's gonna be tight.
Security Sergeant Peter Wright says the training has prepared him for the unexpected.
We as security officers, we respond to all kinds of things every day. The training that we received in the Stop the Bleed gives us more insight and makes us more instinctive when arriving on the scene. We're hoping that we never have to use it, but in the event that we do now have more knowledge in responding.
They all integrate with each other on a daily basis anyway. And this is just one of the mechanisms, so now they know the other one has their back.